Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here to let you all know that the Red Magic Mars is now available for pre-order. This is a pretty cool looking gaming phone that I got to check out while at CES in Las Vegas and actually became pretty interested in it. So if you're a gamer looking for a gaming phone that won't break the bank too much, this phone starts at just $389 for the 64GB model with 6GB of RAM. There is also another model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and that one goes for $439. And if you use the coupon code and link that I've provided in the description, you can also get an extra $20 off. So this phone comes with a 6-inch Full HD Plus LCD display, an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, 16-megapixel rear-facing camera, and a 3,800 milliamp battery. The phone seemed to run pretty smooth with no lag, and with that dedicated switch at the top left side of the device to activate gaming mode, made gaming a lot more smooth and enjoyable. It also has trigger capacitive sensors to make it feel somewhat like you have a real controller. But overall, I think it's a really cool looking gaming device. I also like the RGB light in the back, and you have that option to change its color and pattern as well. But you all let me know your thoughts below. I'll do my best to get one in hand so I can make sure to do a full review for you guys. But if you're interested to know a little bit more about it, I have done a first look and hands-on video. I will throw that link down in the description as well. This was just to let you guys know that it is now available for pre-order. But like I said before, if you are interested in this phone and would like to pre-order it now, it is available, and you can use my link down in the description below, along with the coupon code, so you can get your extra $20 off. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. You guys, this is Josh Quinones, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.